All right, you guys. $1,200 later. It's late. It's 11:26. Look who in here. Trying to be my darn friend. I just got through talking to her granddaddy for 7 hours. Your granddaddy know he can talk, girl.
Be lonely. Oprah be lonely.
Why you trying to be my friend?
Cause I can.
Get out of my bed.
No. Oh, you gonna be my friend.
Get out of my bed.
You gonna be my
Why y'all over here taking over my lives?
I'm not taking over your life. I'm just trying to be your friend.
You taking over my life and my bed.
I'm just trying to be your friend.
You in my 6 feet of space.
Mother and daughter bonding. Mother and daughter bonding.
Where is my 6 feet?
Girl, we at the house. What you mean?
I need my 6 feet. See.
I did.
You saw them. You better run. You little skinny minnie. I don't like little kids. Whatever. Get out of here. Nah. Loser. See how these children treat me early in the afternoon? I can't even say the morning. It's almost 12. Early in the afternoon. Just come and harass me and then beat up on me. See how they do old people? It ain't right. She ain't right. Look, my mama just watched. You supposed to defend me against the grandbaby. Guys, I am dressed. Just have on a black turtleneck with jeans from my shop, belt from H&M, and then I have on, of course, my combat boots. And I'll probably just take my black crossbody bag, and that'll be it. This is my look for today. Super simple, to the point. We ain't doing too much but spending money that I don't need to spend, but I'm gonna spend it anyway. Hey. But anyway, yeah. So that's my outfit. So I'll see you guys when we get in the car. Guys, 1,500 years later, I'm ready.
No, it's probably service.
Finally ready. All right, you guys, we're at our favorite gyro place, Gyro Cafe in Trustville. I got my grilled chicken salad. My mama got her a tilapia plate. What you got? Rice, mushrooms, onions, salad. What's under there? Hummus. What's under your bread? Is it rice?
Rice.
And rice. And then I got me, of course, my favorite mint tea. They have the best mint tea. I need to learn how to make this at home. I actually don't, because it probably got 9 million grams of sugar in it, but it good. So we about to eat. We had a good time. That food was so good. I told mama either we starving or this mess good.
See, but text Cam told we be at her about 2:30.
I don't know. But she gonna be there? Just tell her to leave the key. Let her leave the key under the mat. That you out Christmas shopping. She know that's gonna take forever. Alright, you guys, let's go find some Christmas decorations so our house don't look too bare. So what do we got last? We got the mats last time. We got the stockings. We didn't get no ornaments, did we? We need some ornaments. Let's see if we can find some ornaments, you guys. Let's see. So we're going over to the other side of Trustville, which is the busy side, because that's where all the shopping is. I mean, they have some shopping over here, like at TJ Maxx and Home Goods and stuff, but over by the Walmart is where all the real shopping is. Not the Walmart, sorry. Over there by the Target. Because clearly we had to where the Walmart is. And I hate coming out of here. So we're about to listen to some music. So
I'll text you guys
later.
Like I said,
all right, guys, we're at home, and of course I spent $1 million. Is there a bottom in it though? I don't know if that thing will fit in there.
But we need to measure. We need to measure.
That would be super nice though.
Yeah, you think about putting the tree in there?
But I don't know if so we have a tree stand that'll go in, and we need to make sure it's gonna fit in there. I think that's too small. I think our tree stand is bigger than that, right? Now you can't get nothing. Okay. was that? Oh,
so we're out of at home. We're about to go to Best Buy. So far today I spent about $500. Like I said, when I go out with my mama, we spending some money. You better have some money if you go somewhere with my mama, okay? So I got all of my Christmas decorations mostly. Just a couple little spare things. So of course I have to go home and do my budget. But now I'm finna go to Best Buy and see if we're gonna get this TV. So we got the stuff, and then these two old ladies, you guys, couldn't get their stuff in their car. So me and my mom in the rain, of course, helping them maneuver this big. So she could have got everything in the car, but she got this long picture that was longer than the car. But so we had to figure out how to angle it in there. She like, I'm gonna get it in there. Her friend was like, I'm getting in the car. I don't care what you do. Man, old people are funny when you at the store.
Yes, we are funny.
I'm telling you.
I had 3 young people pushing me out the road the other day.
Oh my gosh, y'all. Old people are too funny.
We are. What can I say?
So, yep, I am ready to go.
His mama said we're not normal.
I'm not normal. Old people not normal. Tell me it. Yeah,
I'm like, yeah, mom, 7 years old, I'm not normal.
I'm not that many, just 2.
He looked at me like, Grandma, you said that.
Tell me you gotta accept yourself as you are. Now for real, nowadays, what is normal? Nothing. Ain't nothing normal. Normal don't exist. But yeah, we frozen. My hands freezing.
The temperature has dropped. What's the temperature?
It's 58.
It was 64.
Because it's like a misty rain today. It's not raining, but it's a misty rain, which will still have you cold if you in it long enough. So Best Buy said they had the same TV that they had over at Sam's for the same price. So we're gonna go ahead and get this 58-inch and see how it's gonna work out for my life. And now I'll actually be able to see. Y'all don't talk about me no more. Look at that little TV. Y'all know that TV a 32-inch. I'm gonna put that bitch in my office. I'm gonna have a TV in my office. I'm gonna get it mounted in there. So I can have some entertainment. That'll be great. Uh-oh, lady. Am I over my line? Let me fix my damn car.
Don't pull out with what?
I'm not gonna pull out. Oh no, I'm in the line.
Yeah, in the line.
Is
this you? Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure like I'm a little close to her though. I'm gonna fix it when she go out. I don't like to be that close to folks being in her car and we hitting it with their damn door. You know, they don't care. There's a bug in here. Oh damn. Should I go down front and get out, bug? I'm gonna have to take me a shower and I'm getting covered. I go home and do new TV, y'all. I mean, you know what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the day. Watching movies. Watching movies. All right, y'all, let's go. Let's go spend some more money.
You ain't finna charge me all the hands I paid.
All right, you guys. $1,200 later. This is why your girl be saving money, okay? So when she go out and spend stuff, it don't affect none of her bills. But bills are paid. I'm a month ahead in everything. So I finally got me a TV, you guys. Y'all ain't gotta talk about how small my TV is no more, and I can't see. I got me a 58-inch.
I thought I was the only one to pay bills overhead.
That's the first thing I learned when I started budgeting in 2017. Get a month ahead in everything. So yeah, I got me a 58-inch Vizio TV, smart 4K Ultra, some another. And hopefully tonight we're gonna try that bad boy out with a good movie and be cozy on the couch.
You think I need to stay another night?
Go ahead, it don't matter. We ain't doing that. And so I got Jalen like some like underwear and stuff. She needs some new underwear and stuff. And then of course we got all the new Christmas stuff. I'm so excited to see what my Christmas tree is gonna look like this year. The only thing we still haven't decided on is the Christmas skirt part, and then I haven't decided if I'm gonna get a tree in my room or not. And if I do get a tree in my room, am I gonna have the same type of decorations? So we just gonna have to see how this gonna go. So I might be doing a little bit more Christmas shopping. So I'll probably do like a little haul for you guys, a Christmas haul. That'll probably be like my December 1st video. So like back, so we'll start of Vlogmas. Look, save that.
Film that. Huh? You gonna do a haul on that?
Yeah, for December the 1st. So I'll haul it. I'll haul everything I got for Christmas this year. And then of course y'all will see what our tree looks like when we decorate it and stuff. And then y'all will get to see the TV tonight. Cause we about to put that bad boy up in my old TV going in my office. Ooh, I feel real studious. I got a TV in my office. Hey. Cause I don't have nowhere else to put it. We got a TV in the den. Kids have TVs in their room. Now I have an extra TV, so the only place that don't have a TV is my office unless I put it in my bathroom.
No wonder Russians are Americans are rich.
We're rich because we do. Well, no. First of all, what they don't understand is, okay, think about it. I bought that TV when, Mama?
Ooh, I'm gonna make this.
That TV is about 10 years old, you guys. It has to be.
Yeah. I think I wish
that was when Google when did Samsung come out with their first smart TV. It was literally the first smart TV Samsung came out, and it only came in a 32 inch.
It was around 13, 14 they killed it. When you bought it, that's when I was living with you.
You bought it when you was living with me? So 13 or 14? 14
or 15.
So that's what, 5 or 6 years ago? No, because 4 into 11 is 7, right?
Yeah.
That's about 7. I've had the TV for like 7 years, you guys. So your girl done good, okay? So that I got her whole money's worth out of that TV. You hear me? All my money's worth. It cost me $4.99 plus tax, probably like $5.50 something.
How much are it now?
Huh?
How much are it now?
The 32 inches? I don't know. They probably don't even make 32 inch no more. Like I said, that was you could only get it in a 32 inch. They didn't have any other sizes. And I thought 32 inch was huge, and clearly I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, we're back home, and I am trying to edit today's video. It's 5:27. We of course never plan out to stay out that late, but things happen. I'm trying to figure out, like, for me to airdrop stuff from my phone to my new MacBook Air goes a lot quicker. And then it'll go to my iMac quicker. But from my phone to my iMac takes like for fucking ever. I need to find a cord, a lightning cord or something that'll make it go a lot faster. So I'm trying to get this edited before I set up my TV and stuff, because I set up my TV, it's gonna be over. I ain't even do shit else tonight but watch movies. I actually need to clean up my room a little bit, for real. But when I was in the woods, I didn't feel like taking my camera and stuff. But maybe I need to start to, because it's just getting annoying at some point. Trying to get it off of my phone to my iMac. It just takes for fucking ever. And then I'll take it from my MacBook Air, and then I'll airdrop it to my iMac. And then it goes a lot faster. It's just very odd to me, but okay. Just gonna have to have a workaround, child. So I'm gonna wait till that's sent, and then I'm gonna send the rest of the stuff, and I'm just gonna have to do third-party sending or whatever, and then delete it off my MacBook Air, because my MacBook Air doesn't have a lot of memory, because I knew I wasn't gonna be keeping nothing on it. It's just for, if I'm traveling and want to edit, but I try to get everything done before then. See how fast that shit went? Like, this shit would have took 20 minutes if I would have did it from my phone to my iMac, which is freaking crazy, but okay, we're just gonna do the workaround. So I'm gonna continue editing, and then I'll come back when I get ready to set up my TV, you guys. So it's 6:47, so of course the vlog's gonna be late. Who knows how late, but it'll be out there one day. One day it shall be there. Okay, it shall be there one day. You just don't know when. Guys, I'm finished. It's only 34 minutes only. I'm trying to see if it's gonna export. Sometimes they be acting stupid. I'm not waiting. What you waiting on? My guy friend, y'all know my little boo thing, so he's so sweet. So I was telling him today I was going shopping with my mom, and I was like, I ain't come back home with no paint. I came home with a fucking TV. He was like, congratulations on the upgrade, but 99-inch TV ain't paint, ma'am. but it will cover up old paint. He's so funny. And then he was like, I was telling him that I don't ever spoil myself, and I really don't ever buy myself anything. And he's like, you should spoil yourself, Key. You are your star payer. And he was like, you raised 2 kids mostly on your own, and you're upgrading your house. You got an advanced degree, and you work your ass off. Treat yourself. Be as good to you as you are to others. See, he's always just know what to say. See what I'm talking about? Ooh, he everything sometimes. I should do better, right? But I don't. He knows me so well. Anyway, while that's doing that, I'm gonna go ahead and probably set up my TV right quick. My mama's still here because she ready for movie night, but we can't do movie night with the little TV. We gotta do movie night with the big TV. So hopefully I can still keep my decorations with this big ass TV. She don't went to damn bed on my ass. Her mama don't went to bed. She's like, ma'am, what are you doing? I had to edit that video. Alright, y'all. Let's see if we can set up the new TV. So this is what I got. A Vizio V-Series 58-inch something another, child.
We ain't get no snacks for TV.
Excuse me, you bought me a 30-60 box full of damn popcorn that we haven't even opened yet. Come on, we ain't got no snacks. You made sure you had snacks when you came over. Might have bought a TV that I can't even fulfill.
Don't say that.
It might not even fit up. The box don't even look like it gonna fit up there.
Well, the TV box is bigger than the TV.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go.
I ain't think about my decorations or nothing, y'all. I'm about to figure out how to put my stuff back. Look how big this TV is. Look how big this TV is, y'all. I wait till I get it mounted. It's gonna look good when it get mounted, though. Definitely have to call somebody because I want it mounted. Now that it's just huge, y'all, I need it mounted. Like, let me go back. Like, if I'm in the bed, I can still see y'all. I used to complain. Y'all remember I used to complain, like, I can't see. I can see everything now. Alright, they actually gave you batteries to your remote. Let's set this bad boy up. Yeah, I'll set y'all up right there. Good Lord. Child. See y'all see? It's so big y'all can't even see the whole damn TV. Okay, let's see.
That is English.
We over
y'all.
here.
Okay. Okay.
Nice, sleek. You know my other remote is huge, but I always have my Fire Stick plugged in, so it don't matter. Alright, let's see how this thing gonna work, y'all. What's I'm supposed to begin pairing? Press this and oh, did it do it? Oh, I guess it did it then. We in the USA. The US of A's. Okay, we got our Wi-Fi. 10 minutes? I guess I'll clean up this crap while we wait 10 minutes, y'all, for it to update. That's the only thing I hate about new TVs. When you get them, they gotta update. Shit ain't never up to date when you get it. They always gotta do something extra. Some extra edge. Alright, you guys, we are in the business. On the camera, it looks really, really small. My TV is. But I promise you, it is not little at all. It is humongous.
Yeah, like that.
Ma, I don't want to hear about no news or nobody in it. I am tired. Can we just enjoy life? Thank you. You was watching. What you was watching? What name of it?
I forgot.
All right, you guys. We in business. If we couldn't see before, we sure can see now.
So I can focus, I just